Yo, I just found something everyone's talking about lately. I wasn't sure at first, but after trying it, I get the hype. It's one of those products that just works. Efficient, clean, and well-reviewed everywhere. Go see it for yourself. The link's right there in the description. Before you skip, this might be the product you've been looking for. There's a reason everyone's buying this right now. It's reliable, easy to use, and feels like something that should cost way more. Want to see why everyone's obsessed with it? Links in the description. Go now. Before you skip, this might be the product you've been looking for. It's been trending for a reason. People keep buying it and leaving amazing reviews. The build quality feels great. It works exactly as described, and honestly, it's better than I expected. You can find all the details in the description. Go take a look before it's gone. Hey, I just tested something that's been trending hard lately. I've seen tons of products. Yo, I just found something everyone's talking about lately. I wasn't sure at first,